question number 45 says, compare the intensity of the 2004 Indian Ocean earthquake, which measured 9.3 on the Richter scale, to the 1989 San Francisco World Series earthquake that measured 7.1 on the Richter scale. So we need to first figure out the intensities of these two earthquakes, and then divide them to figure out how much more intense one is than the other. So I'm going to take the 10 to the 9.3 and divide it by 10 to the 7.1. So 10 to the 9.3, the 2004 earthquake had an intensity of 1995263. I didn't make my fraction big enough. 15. So a very intense. And then 10 raised to the 7.1 is 125,89254.12. So now I need to divide those. And that's equal to 158.49. So our final answer is the 9.3 earthquake was 158.49 times as intense as the 7.1 earthquake.